Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Journey with Bishwadeep. Today is my day 4 of my trading journey till I make 10 lakhs out of 20,000 that I have invested. Previously I have discussed the analysis of the trades that I have taken on day 2 and day 3. So today I'll be discussing the analysis of the trades that I have taken on the day 4. So let me start with the Bank Nifty. I have taken a long position. Yes, I have taken a long position and the strike price was 50,500. The timing was 9:35. So I have drawn the resistance and the support lines all together. Let me zoom into this. Yeah, see, the market has opened with a gap up. The market has initially opened with a gap up and it formed a doji candle, and multiple doji candle formation happened in the 5-minute time frame. Here you can see the time frame, that is the 5 minute, or you can change to any of the time frames that you may want. Specifically for tradings, we usually take 1 day, 1 week, 1 month for the trend analysis. It's mainly for the equity trading, but for the uh, indices or the indexes like the Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, Mid Cap, we are using like 1 hour and then 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and for while we are going into the trade or already went into the trade, then we use the 1 minute time frame. So it gives us a better visual thing. See, if I change it to 1 minute time frame, see, this is the candle that has formed on the 1 minute time frame when the market opened at 9:15 a.m. So the after the gap up, the market came down and they were restructuring themselves in this support line. So it gave a breakdown at this point, but it took a support of this EMA 200. See, it took a support of this EMA 200. Let me just go into the 5 minutes time frame. It will be better so that you can understand it clearly. Yes. So see, there are multiple candles that like the confusing candles that has formed over here, and after that the market was showing that the demand zone or the buyers are taking over the sellers. As you can see, the long wicks that has formed. So I took a trade at this position, and I got out of the trade at 9:45. So 9:45, yes. Previously I have drawn this resistance line, so I thought maybe it came to this level, so it will again bounce back from this position. So that's why I have taken a small trade of 10 minutes and it gave me a profit of rupees 1107. So that was a good trade, making a 1,000 rupees profit in a single trade. So this was my first 1,000 rupees profit in a single trade. So I was really happy after that. So seeing the market trendy, that is the in the uptrend moment, not only the bank nifty, the nifty, fin nifty, mid cap and the sensex of the BSEs, so they were all in the uptrend moment. That is why I have taken one more trade in the nifty. So here, yes, let me draw the resistance and the support line so that you can clearly understand the zones. These, see, these resistance and the support, or the demand and the supply zones, are the main thing in this trading. The price action will help, then the indicators will help, but the once you master the art of making or creating the zones, then it will be really easy for you to understand how the market works, or from where the prices will get bounced off or get breakout and breakdowns. See, let me, it is the previous day's highs. Okay, I am showing you the trading analysis of 20th August. So of 19th August, I am marking the resistance and the support line. I'm currently focusing on all the candlesticks patterns. Later I'll be focusing on the chart patterns. See, this gave me a breakout. Sorry. This position gave me a good breakout, and similarly the trades that I have taken, it was on Bank Nifty. Okay. See. At what time I took the trade? It was on 9:48. Okay, just after getting out of the Nifty Bank Nifty trade, I saw again there is an opportunity in this market. Here I took the trade. On this candle, on this bullish candle, I took the trade. And why I took the trade? Let me just show you why. Let me take the horizontal line. See, it gave me again a breakout. Okay. One question may arise in your mind, that how can I draw this horizontal line, and from nowhere I have drawn this line, right? So let me show you why I have drawn this line. On 2nd of August, the market had closed on this at 24,699 mark. The market was closed. So, and it was also the lowest point in the no, not the lowest. Okay, so at this point the market got ended, for which I have took the support line from here and drew this. So see, as I have mentioned, every trading, whatever you take, there is a pattern or there is a rhythm, like the sinusoidal waves or the parabolic waves, whatever we have studied in class 10 or 11, 12. So this is a similar pattern where we are following. A, a rhythm has already formed in the history. So again, after some days or some months or after some years, again this trend will follow, and it will really respect the support and the resistance line at every moment. See, there are multiple support or the resistance lines that I can draw. Since I'm a beginner, that is why I'm using so many support and the resistance line. But okay, uh, your chart look messy, but at least I can learn and you will also can learn, so that you can mark the important lines over here. Okay, see, there is a breakout again, and I took the trade and left the trade at 10:05. So here I went out of the trade and made a profit of rupees 567. So it was a decent profit. uh, for a beginner, you can say 1600 profit. Always think about the percentage, that like I have invested this much amount. So like for example, I'm saying I have invested 4000 rupees, so I can take only loss up to like maximum to 10% loss, that is 400, and profit I can earn like 400 or more than that. That is 1 is to 1, that is the risk is to reward ratio, it will be 1 is to 1 or 1 is to 1.5 for the beginners. So that is what I've taken the trade. And it was Tuesday, so there was a Nifty expiry, for which I have taken a FOMO trade. That is what for this, and I took a profit of 63 rupees. And the last trade that I took for the Hero Zero. What is Hero Zero trade? Hero Zero trade is that thing where you are putting or buying the premium at a very premium at a very less price. You can say like 5 rupees or 7 rupees, and it goes up. Like whenever there is a spikes in the market, or whenever the market is having a crash or give a good breakout, then you can have from 7 rupees to 70 rupees, you can say that. So there is an overall more than 500 to 600% profit at that interval, like within 10 to 15 minutes of time, where the premium gives a huge spike, huge spike, and you will be gaining maximum profit. So that is called the Hero Zero trade, and uh, it normally happens on the afternoon time, after like 2 o'clock or 2:30 o'clock. So yeah, these are different things. So hardly it comes, but whenever it comes, it gives the traders a really big smile on their faces. So yeah, so let me delete these things. Okay, no issues, I'll be deleting it later. Let me see the trade where I took it. Yeah, this is the trade, and I think I kept this trade for too much of time. See, 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock. So it's nearly 1 hour that I have invested for this trade, and the entry price was 11.2 rupees, and I got exited the trade at 3.45 rupees. Hopefully I know that everyone must remember that there is a theta decay, gamma decay, time decay, every decays that follows in the expiry day. So at 2 o'clock I took the trade, and it literally got all my money on that trade that I have invested. Nearly 80%, nearly, yes, nearly 80 to 85%. The whole money that I've invested on this trade, it was taken care by the market. So I don't need to worry. Okay. So why I took the trade? Normally it was a FOMO trade. I was seeing the market was going up. Market has breached this resistance line, and the market was going in a good direction. So I thought maybe it will give me a good premium at 2 o'clock, and I took the trade because of FOMO. I didn't get that much of setup what I am used to have, but with this expiry day, the market came down and it took all of my money. So yeah, so this were the trades on day 4, and the overall PNL, it was on green side. So whenever you see the green, you feel happy, right? So but I'm constantly having losses for so many days. Let's see what I can do. i'll be I'll make the profit. Yeah, I'll be going to 10 lakhs, so don't worry. Okay, so I made a profit of 1493. So coming on to the forex market, what I've done, I have taken only 2 trades on the XAU and the Ethereum. So for the XAU, it was on 22nd. Yes, 22nd. Yeah, 22nd to 480. Yeah. So let me draw some lines. I love drawing this resistance and the support line. I'll show you once why we draw this resistance and support line. You can check my YouTube other videos where I have given the analysis for each and every other equity stocks that I used to give the analysis for. So it is in shorts videos, but I have given the whole analysis for those things. So you can just check all the other videos out there in my channel. See, this I have given the resistance and the support line. The market was in downtrend movement. Then it took the support and it got up. So, and again you can see a doji candle formation, giving me the confusion of this thing, that maybe the market will be sustaining and will be continuing in the bull movement. But what happened? I took the trade on sell side at 2480. Here I took the trade. Here I took the trade at 2480, or maybe the bullish candle formed. So it was giving me a verdict, and also it got pulled back from this resistance line. So it was a clear shot that the market will be coming down. But this candle already took my SL with such a huge wick that formed. So here only it took my SL, and for which I took a loss of 234. And for the Ethereum, it was a minimal loss of rupees 39. So overall the loss that I incurred on that day was 273 rupees. So coming on to the overall PNL, for the day 4 I am having a profit of rupees 1220. So it was a really good profit for me. So and the total capital is 20,485. So fine, that was the quick analysis of my day 4 trades on the Indian market and on the forex market. Yeah, so thank you. See you tomorrow on day 5 analysis.